Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to change your Venmo debit card PIN in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security or just forgot your old one, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Why does this matter? Well, with increasing digital threats, keeping your PIN fresh is a smart move to protect your funds. First things first, make sure you have the latest Venmo app installed on your phone. It's 2025. So updates are key for new features and security patches. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you use biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID, that's even easier. Once you're in, head to the main menu by tapping the three lines or profile icon in the corner. Look for Settings or Account Settings, it's usually at the top. Scroll down until you see the Debit Card section. Tap on that to access your card details. Now, find the option that says Change PIN or Manage PIN. It might prompt you to enter your current PIN for verification. Go ahead and do that to prove it's you. Next, you'll be asked to enter your new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Make it something memorable but not obvious, like your birth year or a favorite number. After entering the new PIN, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. Venmo might send a quick verification code to your linked phone number or email. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. Once that's done, you're all set. Your new PIN is now active. One quick tip. Always change your PIN in a secure location, like at home, to avoid any shoulder surfing. If you run into issues, Venmo's Help Center is packed with resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.